Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is January, we are starting thinking of February and of course of Valentine. Valentine's Day, so I'm going to do something for Valentine's. These are signs that are now available at Dollar Tree. They are really beautiful. I love them. So I'm going to use one of them. This is the front, but let me tell you, I'm going to use the back. The first thing I did, and I'm keeping the suspense, using tracing paper, I trace each part of the sign. For example, oh no, this one. So it's the same one for the other side. The pieces are symmetrical, so I just needed to trace one of them, one of each of them. And then I cut some scrapbooking paper that I had. I only had one sheet, that's why I can't show you the full page, because of course I already cut the pieces of paper not to lose a lot of time here. But it's a beautiful, beautiful paper. I think I bought it at Hobby Lobby, I'm pretty sure. So I cut off two parts, one for here and one for here, and okay, I'm going to turn this over. I'm not keeping the suspense anymore. I'm using this side. So as you can see, I've already glued this part. I also, using the same paper, marked all the little pieces of wood that are horizontal to be able to cut the shapes for the paper to fit in the sides and in the middle. For the middle I numbered each part because they are small and they look all the same. So I added a number for each one, and I'm going to glue them all, the remaining ones, to this side of the sign. Of course you are seeing now that I use each of these pieces of wood that in fact are intended to maintain this side together, but I love how it looks this way, and I printed out with my computer the word moon and the words I love you and back here. You can see it. And using black transfer paper, I transfer all of them to the different pieces of wood. And I used a marker, a Sharpie, just a regular Sharpie, to fill all the letters, and I left one for you to see. Let me show you. It is really, really easy. You just have to go over and inside each letter, and in a minute you get the word you want painted on the pieces of wood. This sign, this video in fact, is to be entered in the Heidi Sonboul monthly DIY challenge, and of course this time the theme is Valentine's. So I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to participate in this challenge. please visit her channel and watch the videos in the playlist, and that would help all of us to grow our channels, and we will all appreciate that a lot. I forgot to tell you that these pieces of wood were this color, so I used liquid shoe polish from the Dollar Tree, and I just went on top of them, and as you can see, you get the color, kind of a stain. You can give it 2 coats if you want it darker. This is just 1 coat, and I like how it looks. Otherwise, the words, if it was darker, the words wouldn't be so, they wouldn't stand out much. So now I'm going to add the remaining pieces of paper. Okay, now you have the hard finish, but this is not the end of the project. I don't need to make the holes, because what I'm going to do with this sign, which looks great this way, but I'm going to do something different. I need more room. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in full. Look at this. Can you see it? Yeah. Let me move this, put this away. This, I hope you know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box, and we would really like and be very happy if you pay a visit to it. And you will have a lot of fun seeing us diving and finding treasures in the dumpsters. We found this, I think it was at Pier 1. I don't have it, but I'm pretty sure it was at Pier 1 and before it closed for good. And it was a mirror. It had still a lot of pieces of glass that we removed, and the retail price was $59.99. Hope you can see it. And I love it. I really love it. So I'm planning different uses for this, but for the time being, for Valentine's, I'm going to use it to hang this sign. So what I'm going to do right now is to adhere the heart to the border. I love it. I love it. So let me try this. Something here. Some here. I'm not adding too much hot glue because, as I said, I would like to use it for some other project after Valentine's, but I want it to be glued in the meantime. So I think that hot glue is the best option. Otherwise I would have used E6000 if I wanted something more permanent, but in this case I prefer to use hot glue. So let me press for a little moment, and let me see if it is glued. Yes, it is. This, I don't mind about this part. And here you have the final project. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you to Heidi for hosting this challenge. Please visit her channel and the videos in the playlist and our Dance Surviving channel. And thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos and for your constant support. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.